All right, so today we are going to be reviewing, hopefully, exponential functions if you're already familiar with them. If you're not, that's okay. We'll go over what they are, what they look like, and how to work with them. So first, I'd like for you to open up your notebook, um, go to the next blank page, put the page number on your notebook, and then write the title exponential function. So go ahead and pause the video while you do that, and then keep the video playing once you're finished. So an exponential function has two parts. You have the base and the exponent. So let me just do an example. It's just typically of the form b to the a, okay, where b is your base and a is your exponent. Okay. Okay, you can go ahead and pause the video here while you write this down in your notebook. So what does this mean? What does b to the a really mean? B to the a, or any base to some exponent, really is a shorthand way of writing multiplication. So if you get something like, I'll do an example, 2 times 2, so this dot just means multiplication, okay? 2 times 2. This can be written as 2 squared, okay? The base 2 means the number you are multiplying by itself, and the exponent 2 means how many times you will be multiplying the base by itself. So the base, let me write that out. A little arrow. Base is the number you will be multiplying to itself. And then the exponent, well, let me scoot this actually, so that you can, oops, I'll point it at the 2 right there. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's being really uncooperative. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, there we go, sorry. Okay, so the base is the number you'll be multiplying to itself, and then the exponent is how many times you will be multiplying the base to itself. So this is saying you're going to multiply 2 to itself 2 times. So another example, let's say I have something like 3 to the 4. I'm really saying I'm multiplying the number 3 to itself 4 times. Okay? So it's really annoying to have to write out 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Exponents are a great way for us to write that more efficiently, right? Instead of writing 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, we can just write 3 to the 4th power. 3 to the 4, meaning I'm going to take 3 and multiply it to itself 4 times. So I'm going to go ahead and let you pause the video here and make sure you have the examples written down. And then when you're finished, you can go ahead and keep playing the video. Now, exponents don't just apply to numbers, they also apply to variables. So for example, if I have something like x to the fourth, okay, this is really x times x times x times x, right? This doesn't come out to be a number. Like if I did 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, there's an actual result. There's an actual number this calculates to. But because x is a variable, we don't know what it is. It's a symbol for a number. This doesn't come out to anything, but it still applies. You're multiplying x to itself 4 times. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you 3 examples, or rather 3 expressions that involve an exponent, and then you are going to have to expand it. So this is the exponent form, right? Base exponent, and then this is the expanded form on the right side here. It's the long version, okay? So I'm going to give you 4 expressions. In your notebook, I want you to write them down, and then I want you to expand them. If you need help with this, you can message me on a DreamSeeDo or ask me in workshop, but hopefully it's pretty clear what you should do with your base given your exponent. So the 3 expressions I want you to expand are a equals y to the 7th, 5 times 2m to the 3rd, and then x cubed to the 2nd, or squared. Now, I know these ones are a little trickier because they have parentheses. I want to give you 2 hints. Hint number 1, apply the exponent to what is in the parentheses. Okay? To everything in the parentheses. So this 3, this cube, 2 to the 3rd, 2m to the 3rd applies to both the 2 and the m, okay? Then this is saying, well, I've got an x cube, okay, and it's an exponent, and then another exponent. This really just apply the same rule, except now your base is x cubed, right? So go ahead, try this out on your own. Take a photo of your work and then upload it on DreamSeeDo.